Hi friends, in this video I will share about easiest and healthiest apple beetroot carrot smoothie recipe. You can take this smoothie with the breakfast 3 or 4 days a week. Taking these smoothies consistently, you will definitely get result. The benefits of these smoothies are like helps you to detoxifies your organ and also helps you to prevent heart attack and so on. There are other benefits also to use these smoothies. If you want to know details like actual benefits, nutrition values, ingredients, instructions and pros and cons of this smoothie, watch this video till to the end. So stay tuned. Now let's see the pros and cons of this smoothie. Number 1. Is it good for heart? As a source of vitamin B9, this smoothie is a good source of folate, which aids in cell growth and function. Blood vessels damage can be controlled by folate, which lowers the risk of cardiovascular disease and stroke. Number 2. Is it good for liver? The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties of this smoothie are combined with an increase in liver detoxifying enzymes. Number 3. Who should avoid this smoothie? People suffering from stone problems should not include beetroot in their diet. The ones suffering from problems with the gallbladder or kidney stones should avoid eating beetroot. The amount of oxalate in beetroot is quite high, which increases the problem of stones in the kidney. Well, now then, let's check out everything about apple beetroot carrot smoothie. So, benefits of these smoothies are like detoxifies organs, purifies blood, protects skin by repelling free radicals, keeps your heart healthy, eye shield if you are addicted to TV, computer or mobile screens. Now let's check out the nutrition value you get from these smoothies. Calories 111, carbohydrates 28.4 gram, protein 2 gram, sodium 57 mg, sugar 21 gram. The ingredients are required to make this smoothie like 1 medium beet, 1 medium red or green apple, 1 medium carrot, 1 teaspoon honey and 1 glass water. And finally the instructions to how to make this smoothie. Place all the ingredients in a blender and blend on it about 30 seconds or until smooth. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, give our video a thumbs up.